Good morning, everybody. Today we are going to Alabama for sure. Who's pumped? I am. Okay, it's like 7:30 in the morning. It's a little early, but we're getting the plane the rest of the way packed up. We're just putting our bags in it. Came here yet.
People are pumped at 7:30 in the morning.
Hey, you're pumped too.
I'm pumped.
We're going to Huntsville, bro.
Woohoo!
So yeah, we're gonna get the plane packed, and then we're going to go over for the one last final meeting before we go, just to get a plan together. And then we'll be on our way to Huntsville, so let's do it. Okay, so we are done packing the plane. We are going to head over to the Sky Park building now. There we go.
Hold on.
What's up?
Do you have an audio cable?
I do.
Do you have some mounts?
Yeah. Let's probably go grab that, huh?
I need some mounting options.
Okay.
But I got it all hooked up so I can do it on the watch.
Nice.
Okay, cool.
I might not give you that camera back.
That's fine.
Top it off.
Oh,
Conditions of power.
so we can charge that off the
Yeah,
plane.
but I also have 16,000 batteries.
Yeah, I've got
Okay,
batteries.
so here's two of the Sky Park planes that are going. 45 Victor and 44 Golf are both going. Rich and Jeff Dick, who you may remember from some of our other vlogs, are actually going in 45 Victor. So they're getting their cameras mounted up. We got everybody pretty much camered up, which is sweet. And yeah, so hopefully in a little bit we will be on our way to Huntsville. Minutes.
Okay.
Finally decided to show up.
Yeah,
You ready to go on this trip?
I'm ready.
All right, let's do
Clear
it.
skies and clouds ahead.
That's right.
High overcast, man.
I know.
Actually supposed to have a tail in it.
I saw like 4 or 5 knots.
Yeah. I'll take it.
I know.
The sky on, anything.
Not in the Skyline, we don't care.
Yeah, we don't care. All right, man.
All right, cool.
You guys leaving in 15 minutes?
Yeah, we're gonna leave with Kegel.
Yeah. Be the ball. Southwest.
All right, we are getting ready to head out. We will see you guys down there. See you, Connor.
I think Jeff might need a sticky for 666.
Okay.
Kegel's going to get his plane. Gotta open the... All right, it's looking like everybody is ready to go. We're gonna pull the plane out, and then we will catch you guys in Huntsville. So let's do this.
Okay, clear. Oil pressure. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11.
right, so we are at our first stop here. We're at Sporty's Pilot Shop in Claremont County, Ohio. Our next stop is going to be Stewart Powell Field in Kentucky, and then Upper Cumberland Regional in Tennessee, and then finally Huntsville Regional, or Huntsville Executive, whatever the airport name is. So we are going to go inside and pee, like I said, and hopefully get some cool shots of Sporty. So let's do that. Thank you very much.
Howdy, fellas.
There is.
And it's in the north. And
Okay.
that's why.
I'll put it right here, yeah.
That's what it is.
We're here. Here's Sportys.
We're going back and forth on this because we've been having a problem with that.
Got a loft up here. I mean, this place is insane.
Peter, there's this really weird thing. Like, I thought you guys left before me.
All right, we're going to find Kegel. I don't know what trouble he's gotten into. There you are.
I'm looking for you.
I was knocking on the glass here.
Oh.
Have you tried on the ones he's trying on right now?
No. Are they really good?
They're really comfortable,
Really?
in my opinion. Yeah.
We don't know.
I think they're the only headset that I've wore that are more comfortable than mine.
I'm about to test. I'm gonna hand the camera over to Kegel. I'm about to test the David Clark 1X. We're gonna see how these feel. Whoa.
I know, right?
They're like cushions. Like, you know, it's like pillows.
There's
hang
like
on.
no pressure.
Okay. So I have the Zulu 3s and Michael has Zulu 2s, right?
2s, yeah.
Which they're pretty much the same thing. I just want to see. I don't know. That's a tough comparison right there.
Right.
Okay.
I don't know if this is like coincidence, but hang on. Okay, I don't know if you heard that ding before, but it makes the same ding as like the fasten seatbelt sign on like a jetliner. I don't know if that's coincidence here, or if that's because it's Sporties. Like, attention.
It could just be elevator.
It could. I don't know.
Maybe I'm just imagining things. Oh, here's a little like charging station. This is sweet. Is Rob Ryder here?
We have to be quiet.
Yeah. There's a cafe.
I'm supposed to use this.
I guess. Look, they even made you a margarita.
And it's
I just want to point out, everyone that flew here in a Skylane is here, and we're waiting on the people in the 172s to show up, which is fine.
Oh, look, here's the warehouse. Huh. Yeah. Wow.
that guy's on a Segway. Did you see that?
Yeah.
That is awesome.
That is super freaking cool.
See a foosball table and the pool table?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. They got
There's
their
4 of
bikes
them.
right down there, the banana seats.
When I bought that pedo cover, the woman ran back on the Segway and grabbed it.
Oh, really? Look at this dude.
So everybody, I think, showed up. I don't know how many people we got here.
I think we've got everybody. I mean, the Warrior boys already left.
I'm leaving.
What's that?
I'm leaving in 10 minutes.
Okay.
He still acts like he leaves in 10 minutes and we wait around, but he's
You can do
gonna
whatever you
before
want,
us.
But you give us a head start.
Exactly.
Fast.
We got
Little
shit
guys
to
go.
Yeah, we've been sitting here for a while.
Yeah, I mean, we took a nap. I'm up for
All
that.
right, so it looks like everybody's here. We're wrapping up here at Sporty's. We're gonna get going. We're gonna do some formation flying with Kegel on the way there in his Skylane RG, so that should be sweet. My dad's gonna get the good camera and record it all.
We're in North Carolina.
Let's do it.
We just got to switch over headsets, I think, right? You can use the iPad. Okay.
You wanna check oil?
Yeah, I'll take care of that.
All right, we're swapping seats, and then we are going to be off to Stewart Powell Field in Kentucky, so we will catch you guys in Kentucky.
We're on the ground here at
Stewart Powell Field.
They're not going up very quick, that's for sure.
We're getting gas, and then we're going to be on our way to our last stop before Huntsville, which is Upper Cumberland Regional. I hope you like that
formation stuff that we did on the way down. That was definitely fun.
Yeah. Hope that came out awesome.
Yeah, I hope so.
Different in the right seat, huh? And then you said, when was the last time you flew? Okay, so yeah, 6 months ago.
Welcome to Kentucky, gentlemen.
Yo!
Traffic alert still? I said, no, they're right out front of my windscreen. I can see them. And then they go, well, they're getting close, and Lexington's getting nervous. Can you tell them to squawk standby? Like, just let them know. And let them know that the radar coverage. Same thing. Why is everybody going to Sporty?
One job, just remind us. That's your
Alright, so we're just kind of chilling here in the FBO here at Stewart Powell.
Because he told me, remind me when we
just hanging out. It's a pretty nice FBO.
How we doing, fellas?
Slowly slipping down in this chair. I mean, I was sitting upright a minute ago. Lots of lakes. I don't know how this happened. Lots of lakes. And then
they're planning over there. They're doing it the old-fashioned way.
It is. Right.
You ready to push me out of the airplane yet?
Ready to go.
So our next stop is Upper Cumberland Regional, as I said before. We're actually ordering 5 pizzas to the airport, so that's going to be awesome to chow down on some pizza.
Coming out of here, there's not a whole lot.
You don't mess with the seat
No.
or anything, right?
All right, now my dad's taking left seat.
I'm going to be back in the right seat, and we are going to head to Upper Cumberland Regional, so we will catch you there. We are here at Upper Cumberland Regional. It's getting warmer. Not yet. It's all right.
It looks different here.
It does look different. It's a lot prettier here.
All the people.
Why are you guys all tied up?
What took you guys so long? I thought the 182 was supposed to be faster than 152.
Here's my boy Spencer over here. What's up, man?
Yeah.
We got the RV rolling in here. Jeez, oh boy.
Yeah, it's we're that far south now.
Okay.
I almost don't even want to deal with the thing. I just want to just get full circle.
You need gas?
30 cents. Yeah, because we're fat in our airplane, so I've been keeping it topped up.
Thank you.
All right, we're here chowing down on some pizza. We're gonna eat and then one more stop until Tennessee.
All right, we're out of here.
All right, if you're ever in the area, definitely take a stop at Upper Cumberland Regional. Thank you. Identifiers KSRB, and these guys are just awesome. They gave us a room to ourselves to eat the pizza that we had ordered to the airport, and they're just super, super awesome guys. So thank you guys for everything. Also, Sporty's guys were awesome. Connor here at Fly Delta Jet 7 is over here, taking some pics.
Yeah, that's
You're welcome. I made it better.
like a judgment.
Excuse me, the word is gooder.
Fine.
Gooder did I make it? Gooder it be now, man.
Did you bring a bathing suit there, Mr. Richmond?
Yeah, baby. Speedos. I'm getting in the hotel pool and some Speedos. Ka-wham! Shamu hits the pool, baby. Anybody that's reading the book, I jump in cannonball and splash.
Why wouldn't you?
Look like a bunch
I'm
of
not
foam.
going swimming anymore.
Why wouldn't you want to come on a trip with us? I mean, like, yeah, I don't know. What's better than this?
I mean,
Ain't
why would
nothing
you?
better than this.
No, nothing beats flying.
Nope. Okay, I know I keep saying we're leaving, but this time we're actually gonna leave here in a couple minutes. So,
You think?
we'll see you in Huntsville. Okay, we don't know how to get out of this airport, but we're in the car. We're heading to the hotel. We're gonna go check in.
Peter's vlogging.
We're talking to my mom on the phone.
I said he's vlogging. Oh, sorry. No, that's all right. This doesn't look the way out either. Oh yeah, there's a stop sign.
In case you're wondering, we have no idea where we're going right now.
All right, babe. We'll call you. We're going to the hotel now.
Yes, whatever.
Okay, we'll call you shortly.
Be careful. Have fun.
Marty. We love Marty.
Yeah, she's sweet.
Oh, she's amazing.
Yeah, you guys, Marty especially at Executive Flight Center, you guys are awesome. You guys have really awesome hospitality, and we're getting our plane hangared in a hangar for 2 nights for $40 a night, so that's awesome. Super nice FBO, so if you're around here, definitely come check this airport out.
Drove
They're
the car
awesome.
right up to the airplane.
Yeah, as you can see, we had the car waiting for us literally right there.
They're amazing people.
We will catch you guys at the hotel, and hopefully we'll be getting in the pool here shortly, because I'm dying.
I've got a bunch of stuff I'm just going to crank through.
Alright, we are here at the hotel. We're all waiting to get rooms.
Really? Yeah.
We made it.
Confused. Lead a horse you can't make him drink. Oh, yeah.
I don't know.
Yeah, but we're coming back down at 6:30. Back down here. There you go.
Oh boy, here we go.
There you go. You got the fancy little cart.
Oh yeah.
I just loaded the bags.
We're gonna go take the bags to the rooms, get settled in, and then hopefully do something a little bit later. We're no longer Bama bound. We're Bama.
Yeah, we be in Bama.
I would laugh.
We went the wrong way. The sign lied.
You're going the wrong way.
Well, first we were about to get off on the 3rd floor, and then we were like, well, that's not right.
Oops, I got it.
Oh boy, this is the moment of truth right here.
Don't help. No, I'm kidding.
Well, I think one of the wheels doesn't turn.
That's why I just picked it up. I don't know.
Pick some lights on, yo.
That is a light.
That's off.
No, dude.
Yeah, you're totally intruding.
Ah!
Do we not have any light switches?
Guess not.
Alright, well here's our room. Not bad. Not bad. I could live with this.
Yeah, this is fine.
I'll edit right there. It's gonna be good.
Get this shitty camera out of the way here.
Alright, so we're pretty much gonna call it a night. We are all settled in. It was an awesome trip. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Be sure to like, comment, share, subscribe. I know it's like a mega vlog, but I had a ton of fun making it. He had a ton of fun making it. And
I had a ton of fun loading, unloading, carrying bags, charging stuff.
yeah, he's working over there.
Yeah.
Alright, well, we'll see you guys tomorrow. Oh, wait. Be sure to like, comment, share, subscribe, follow us on social media. Those links are down below in the description. And now, we'll catch you tomorrow.